Hi, how are you? My name is Karina. I am personal trainer and nutrition coach, and I work mainly online coaching. But today I want to start with you something that I really like. It's a visual board workshop, and it is to give you some options to check it out your goals for the new year and how you can translate this one in real actions to work during the rest of the day, not just January, not just the first month of the year, for the rest of the year. Make something fun, something a little bit more craft, to visualize a little bit more. How are these goals a little bit more real and how you can check it out every single day so you can do it without problems. I would like to share with you a short slides with some information to give you some guide that you can use later. You can repeat this video a lot of times just to check it out if it's the way that you can do it. Share with your friends, share with your family, share with someone that you feel that needs to do this one, or you can do with someone else together. But it is to give you some ideas on how you can create this vision board a little bit more real, taking actions, not just saying, but taking real steps in your goals. Let me share my screen with the information that I need to show you with the slides that I like to share. So let me show you here. But well, this is a short presentation that I want to do with you today to share how you can start doing this vision board that is pretty much vision and goals. And actually, I think that we can add an extra word there, vision, goals, and actions. But because it's not just thinking and trying to see what you want in your mind, it's taking action with every single one. In general, I want you to map every area of your life. This is pretty much that I want to map in my life, maybe a little bit more areas, but I want to show you how you can map, put in these pictures, but you can do it writing, family, health, love, and love means your loving yourself, how you're loving yourself in different ways. Love with your family, love with your spouse, love with your partner, business, job, whatever you feel is that area. Social media, maybe you need more or you need less, but I want to visualize here not just social media, is social overall with your friends, with the people, your neighborhood, how you are interacting with your community. Travel, maybe you want to travel a little bit more, maybe you want to know more about cultures, maybe you want to know more about other countries. Whatever you wanted, this is the map, every area that you want. Maybe the areas are a little bit more detailed. I will be show you a picture later. How is the details about this area? Because every area needs a vision and a goal. So maybe you putting a little bit more detail. You want health, you have career, you have finances, you have your spiritual health, you have fun, you need A, B, and C. Maybe your areas start growing because you have different areas too around your life. And you need a vision for that area because it's good to check it out, but not just pass the day to day. It's trying to give you some good ideas about it, you know? And taking vision, goal, and actions. Okay, categorize every area, then define your level of commitment, scaling 1 to 10, and then divide your day based on that areas. Okay, let me try to explain you this. You have the area, and what is the commitment for that area, and scale that 1 to 10. Okay, maybe you need to check it out that maybe your personal development is not the one that you need to work now. Maybe you are 5 in that area, and maybe you need to work on that a little bit less because you are not needing that anymore because you are okay with that. Or maybe you don't need to invest in more knowledge on X or Y area, because you already know about it. Maybe you need to scale that one in 5. So you are just trying to check one video per week. So divide your day based on that area means that you probably take 1 hour on Sunday to watch a video related with the area of knowledge that you want to grow, because you feel that you are enough with that and you can still working on that, but not in the commitment that you have last 2 years. Or maybe you need to categorize your area of health and divide it in different areas, because your health means your nutrition, means your exercise, means your mental health. So, okay, this area, exercise is commitment, maybe number 1, and I want to do exercise 4 times per week. And I will be going to my day and check it out the days that I have available to do my workouts, and do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. That are the days that we're doing exercise. So I committed to do it in that days, 30 minutes, half hour, and that's it. But this is the one that you're taking action for that specific area. Your nutrition, okay? I want to eat that quantity of calories, or I want to eat more this or that. How you are committed to that one. You are committed to a 10. You're committed to a, maybe I am okay now, but I committed to a 9. So I will be putting that one. The Mondays, are we going to the groceries to bring everything that I need for the week, or the Fridays, because I will be doing meal prep on Sundays. And I need to making my activities on Monday and Tuesday, the recipes and the menu that I will be trying to do during Sunday meal prep. So I need to start filing, putting in a file in my phone or whatever you want, your recipes. Or if you know someone that your coach gave you your meal plan, you need to start doing the recipes that she gave you. These kind of things with dates, which date you are going to groceries to bring all the list. And then on Sundays, you are doing the meal plan. And this meal prep, these are the things that you are doing during the day. Okay, that day is for your activity, and you are dividing your day based on that areas, because you are saying that you are committed to do that. So if you are putting that one every single week, that give you the best. Okay, you have different areas. I put it, I got this one from another person, but this is just general. Think about this. Maybe you are so general with your areas, but you need to probably go deeper. And when you're going deeper, you are taking action a little bit better. Because maybe you said, I want to have a better health, but what it means is spiritual health, is mental health, is body, is nutrition. Okay, I want to have better family relationships. But what means? It means more fun. It means to have a better decisions with my finances, a better social life with my family too. So that kind of things. You know, try to divide, because all the areas in your life needs to be connected. You don't your day to day, your life needs to be connected, because you are in different areas, right? Yeah, the idea is to be sure that you are taking action, but knowing what are the areas that you need to work. Based on the last year, make some real questions. I have a couple of questions there. Check it out. Which one will help you to make better decisions for your current vision and goals? One thing that I like to emphasize here with these questions is take the ones that help you to have better decisions on your new year, but maybe you don't need to check it out all of them. One thing that I want to emphasize is the word of your year. Some people say, you don't need the word. You don't need to do that. It's so stressful to have a word. You don't need it. You don't need it. If you don't want it, you don't want it. But the word give you some actions for some areas. If you feel that that word give you give you energy to work on that, keep working on that. because that word will help you to define better actions. Maybe it's working more for your business and your family, but it doesn't work for your health and your nutrition. But it's okay. Use this word and trying to adapt. Is probably maybe you need to have that work for your business, but you don't need for your health because you already work on your health as a habit. You don't need to build habits in your fitness because you already have it very strong. So you need to work a little bit more in that word of the year for your business. That is the idea. Maybe you said, I want 2 words, one for this area, one for this one. It's okay. If it works for you, do it, but try to find something that give you the energy to go to there. Try to find a major of area of focus. Maybe you need to work really, really hard in one specific area, in your business or in your family or in your health. Try to define this one, maybe are 3 areas, but every area has different paths, different sub areas. So check it out, that one. Write the areas for each of them and check it out what are the goals that you want to achieve for each of them. And taking actions. Put it in your calendar, put it in your computer, put it in the paper. And then we are doing the fun part, doing the visual with the crafting. Define your 10 top goals, find the magazines and this one, but sometimes people want to do digital. You can use Pinterest or Canva. Canva is free. You have the membership too, but you can make it free, and it's very good free. To do it in digital and making this the background of your computer or your phone. Find the areas that are, find the ones that are associated with these goals. If you are dividing these areas and these goals, find the words and the pictures that are associated with that and start grabbing the words and the pictures and then start building the one on paper or in the computer and start putting everything together in the nice idea that you can see it and see all the words that help you to visualize, okay, that word is power, is because I need power. That is freedom because I want to work in my own. That one is health because I want to work in my health, or a nice plate of food because I want to work in my nutrition, or a person running because you keep running. These kind of things, you know. Placing the pictures and connecting with the areas, find the words, the pictures and graphs, everything that putting together make you a big picture of where are your goals, where you need to keep working every single day. You can put it in front of your work desk, your mirror, your wall, in the computer, whatever you want, but put it somewhere that you can see it. The idea is to help you to visualize every single day. So you can find the words, the pictures, you can do a family visual board, whatever you want, but try to do something that helps you to remind what you want. This is one of mine. This is a running because I want to run. I want to keep working on my strength. I want to keep working on my health. I want to travel, so I have a nice picture of the beach. I want the community. This is work because I want to keep building my group of coaches. Big smiles because I want big smile for me, for my family, my husband, my kids. I want to build the best team in my community of coaches. I want to feel strong in different ways, not necessarily physically. I want to be strong for everything. So try to find the words that you feel is okay. I would love to see what you are doing. I would like, if you have more questions about this, let me know, because this part with the words and the pictures and everything is the visual part. The part that we start talking is something that you need to start writing and trying to put out of your mind, because everything is here, doesn't work. It needs to have actions. So start doing this first and then start doing the next part. Connect your areas and try to make something visual for help you to achieve your goals for this year. Hope this information helped you so much. Share with someone that you need feel it. And any question, just let me know. Thank you.